We have always wondered why YouTubers don't do more night flying and show the epic content that could bring.
Tonight, we will find out.
We just need to face the fact that night VFR isn't for us. Filming?
I'm filming.
I can see you. We have always wondered why YouTubers don't do more content during night when they're doing VFR flying. Would there be any reason to that?
We got the opportunity to fly night VFR with a pilot who was approved for that. So we're going to mount the GoPros in the dark in the factory. Beautiful.
Get this beauty. So my mission is to get this one up, get the front camera working. I cannot film. I can't do two things at the same time and film and put this up. So you're gonna see before and after. It's like the first time I'm doing this in pitch black.
My knees in the ice cold water. We took the opportunity to test our GoPros and our mobile phones to see would the quality be good. We quickly find out that the GoPro on the inside, it showed a picture that looked like this. And after some digital video enhancement, it looked like this.
The GoPros is just not made for darkness. And then there's the famous Skellefteå Tower. It's so beautiful during the evening and the night, and they're always there for you. We took off from runway 28 and made a right turn straight for Skellefteå.
When we flew over Skellefteå, whoa, that's some beautiful views. You can see the cars and the lights and the houses. What's really good with flying night VFR, it's very cozy. You have the dark airplane and you have the lights on the inside and the runway lights.
Alpha Alpha, wind 270, 12 knots, runway 28, clear land. Great, clear land, thank you very much. That was perfect. That was perfect landing. Yeah, left. Car off. 3. Select Lima Alpha ground 0, taxi to April, thanks for it, Alpha. You're right, and fly Alpha to vehicle and landmark.
Now I'm gonna start filming. I got that on camera.
The reasons why YouTubers don't fly night VFR is very noisy picture, very dark picture. It's just bright dots on a black background.
Sometimes you might see like a snowmobile going fast in the dark, but the cameras will only pick up a light dot. Basically, this is why we flew during the day instead of the night. For conclusion, we have decided to not fly during night anymore. However, when you're flying over a city, you have just the light from the instruments in the plane, the pitch black sky, and the lights from the city. That is just so beautiful.